Children, how many lessons are completed till now? We completed 4 lessons. Now we are going to learn 5th lesson. What is the name of the lesson? See, desert climate, Saudi Arabia. About desert climate and Saudi Arabia, we are going to learn in this class. Lesson 5. Name of the lesson. Everyone should read the lesson name first. You have to recognize the lesson name before starting the lesson. Do you know about desert? What is a desert? Desert is a hot region. Here some deserts are given about the deserts in this lesson. First part, deserts. What are deserts? Deserts are dry and hot regions on this earth. So, on this earth, the earth is covered 7th of the part land, only deserts. These hot deserts located in the western side. Where are these hot deserts located? Hot deserts are located on the western side. Which is the longest desert in the world? Already you learned in your previous classes about that. Which is the longest desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Where it is? It is in Africa continent. Which is the desert? Sahara Desert. It is in Africa continent. It is the longest desert in the world. And Arabian Peninsula in the southwest of Asia. There is a Arabian Peninsula. It is in the southwest of Asia. It is a hot region. Arabian Peninsula is a hot region. It is located in the southwest of Asia. Asia is a continent. You know about continents already. You learned in the previous classes also. I explained about the continents and oceans. Read that continents and oceans. You must know the continents names and oceans names thoroughly. Okay. Asia is a continent. In which continent we are living? We are living in Asia continent. So this Arabian Peninsula is the southwest of Asia. Already I said about the directions also. North, top of the map, north, bottom is south, right side is east, left side is west. If you observe it, map. Maps also we discussed in the lesson 2. We discussed about maps. This is the northeast. Some directions also there. I explained about that. South, east. This side south and west. South, west, and north, west. So where is Arabian Peninsula? Southwest. In this area. Southwest Arabian Peninsula is there. This is also hot region. The Tropic of Cancer passes through it. I explained about the globe in the equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. I showed. In the class, you see that once again and observe. This is the Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. So the Tropic of Cancer passes through that region. Okay, next coming to the climate. How is the climate? The Asian countries near to Europe are called Middle East countries. Which are Asian countries near to Europe are called Middle East countries. So Saudi Arabia is in the Middle East country. Where is Saudi Arabia? Saudi Arabia is in Middle East country. It is surrounded by seas on 3 sides. This Saudi Arabia is surrounded by seas on 3 sides. One side only land. So this Saudi Arabia has neighboring countries. Jordan, Kuwait, Iraq. These are neighboring countries of north side. These countries are north side of Saudi Arabia. What are the neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia? Jordan, Kuwait, Iraq. These countries are north side of Saudi Arabia. The Arabian Sea on Oman and Yemen are south side. The Arabian Sea, Oman and Yemen are south side. The Persian Gulf, Bahrain and the United Arab Emirates. These are east side. And the Red Sea is the west side of Saudi Arabia. Which are the neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia? Jordan, Kuwait, Iraq. These are located in the north side. Arabian Sea, Oman and Yemen are south side. The Persian Gulf, Bahrain and the United Arab Emirates are east side. And the Red Sea is west side of Saudi Arabia. So these parts are located to Saudi Arabia. Next come to the land surface of this area. Most of Saudi Arabia is a high rocky plateau. See here, high rocky plateaus. That means rocky. You know, rocky plateau. Saudi Arabia is with the rocky plateau. The vast desert occupies this region. Vast desert. So much of desert is there in this region. Where? Saudi Arabia. Vast desert. The land is dry and barren. Here the land is dry, almost dry. There is no vegetation there. That means there is no trees. It is a sandy desert land broken by rocky hills. See here. Sandy desert and land broken by rocky hills. Strong winds blow throughout the year. Here strong winds. You know winds. Strong winds blow throughout the year in this region. There are no rivers and lakes. Here in this Saudi Arabia, no rivers and no lakes. Only area, dry area. Throughout the year, strong winds blow here. The region is dotted with hills of sand called sand dunes. These are called sand dunes. See in the page number 33, you have pictures about sand dunes. The strong winds shift the sand dunes from one place to another. Strong winds shift the places from one place to another sand dunes. An oasis is the place in the desert where some water can be found. This is a oasis. Oasis means some water found in the desert. It is an area where there is a permanent spring and underground water. The soil is fertile here. Only where is the oasis? There only soil fertile. There are date palms and other desert plants around the oasis. These oases, there are date palms and other trees are there. Okay, in the next class we will learn more about Saudi Arabia.